Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Today I'm making chicken curry. This is a recipe my mom showed me how to make, but I did lose a recipe a long time ago and I had been eyeballing it, so I wanted to share it with y'all. So I decided to write down how much of everything I use so I can make y'all a video. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. To begin with, I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of oil. And that's all the oil you need, and it's just to help me brown this chicken before I add the other stuff into it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so it'll start heating up real quick, and then I'll put the chicken in. Okay, now I washed the chicken and dried it off, and I got it in. I'm going to let these brown, but while I'm waiting for one side to brown, I'm going to go ahead and cut my onion up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to check to see if they're ready to be turned. It looks like they are. One side is brown. You can use any kind of chicken you want. It don't have to be thighs. Whatever you want to make is fine. I just happen to have a pack of thighs, so that's why I'm going to use it. Okay, now I got them turned. I'm going to add my onion in. You got a large onion, I just use one, but the little onions, then I use 2. And just slice them up. And with that, I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of garlic. Okay, I'm going to let that go just for a few minutes. It's going good, so now I'm going to add in the rest of the stuff, and I forgot to mention that, but we also still have ketchup, cumin, Adobo, ginger, coriander, curry powder, chicken bouillon, and coconut flakes to add to it. So start off with, I'm going to put in 1½ tablespoons of cumin. And then 1½ tablespoons of the Adobo. Okay, I should stick this in here. Getting low on it. And 1½ tablespoons of ground ginger. Almost did it twice. One and a half tablespoons of coriander. And then we're going to use 6 tablespoons of curry powder. Now, if you use the curry powder that is spicy, you're going to want to use less. This one is not spicy at all that I'm using. I used a non-spicy one because I have kids and they don't like the spicy, so I use the one that's not spicy. But if you do use a spicy one, do it to taste because the curry powder can be very hot. This one. 5. One more. Okay. Now, we're going to use the chicken bouillon. I'm going to use 6 teaspoons because I have to fill this up with water. So, it's going to equal out perfect. Alright, that's 6. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the water in, and then I'll put the ketchup and the coconut in. Okay, now I'm adding the water. And you just want to put enough water just to where it covers up the chicken. Maybe one more. And this will cook down some. And normally like the last 20 minutes of cooking time, because it normally needs to boil for about 45 minutes. The last 20 minutes, I normally take the lid back off of it, and that way the sauce can thicken up. And the excess sauce that is with this is very good with rice. I always make rice with it, and it is delicious. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, now we're going to get back to this, and we're going to need 2/3 cups of ketchup. Try and get all of it out this time. Okay, now we have the coconut. You can use coconut milk. Works just as good. If you did use coconut milk, just use a 1/2 cup or to your taste. I use coconut flakes because of the texture. It is really good. I don't know, it just takes it to another level, I guess you would say. But you know, you can use either coconut milk or this. I myself prefer the flakes. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups. And this is sweetened coconut flakes. 1.5 cup. Okay, now I'm going to stir all this up. And then when it comes to a boil, I will turn it down just a little bit, just so it ain't boiling too hard. I'm going to stir all this up real good, and then once it comes up to a boil, I'll be back. It's come up to a boil now, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit, and I'm going to cover it and let it go for about 45 minutes, and it'll be done. But the last 20 minutes, I will uncover it and let it let the sauce thicken up just a little bit. This recipe my mom gave me. She actually has a friend from Sri Lanka, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. And he's the one that actually had taught her how to make it, and then she tried to do it in a version to where we would be able to eat it without it being too spicy. Because they can make it really hot, and my mom loves it hot, but in my house my kids and stuff don't care for it to be too hot. But anyway, I'm going to cover it up and let it go for about 45 minutes. Well, actually maybe about 25 minutes, and then I'll check it. You do need to stir it, not all the time, but off and on. And then at the last 20 minutes, go ahead and uncover it, just so it'll thicken up just a little bit, and it's going to be yummy. It's been 25 minutes, so I'm going to uncover it and let it go the last 20 minutes uncovered. I already stirred it a few times, but I'm going to stir it again. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell my house. It smells so good in here. I love chicken curry. It is amazing. Okay, I'm going to let it go the last 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. It's been total 45 minutes now, and it is done. Oh, look how good that looks. And I'm going to plate it up, and I'll be back. It's all done, so I'm going to give it a try. Give it rice. Mmm. Oops. Oh, this is hot. Trying to just give this a little piece here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is delicious. Definitely need to give this recipe a try. I'm sure you will like it. It is amazing. And the coconut flakes in it just brings it all together. With that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.